Now, one of my favorite things to do is walk around Dollar Tree aimlessly. I literally walk around with an open mind, looking at every single thing that I can find, and you would be surprised at some of the crazy ideas that I come up with just by walking the store. My name is Jamie. I'm the crafty DIY guy. Welcome back to my channel. Now, one of the first things I saw when I walked through the toy department were these great plastic toys. I love the motorcycles. I definitely love these construction vehicles, but I decided to go with the motorcycles. Now, I've got two motorcycles. I've got 4 pieces of my Crafter Square wood, and I've got 1 oversized popsicle stick. Be sure and grab 2 motorcycles that do match each other. The first thing we're going to do is take our pieces of wood and we're going to glue those together in an L shape. Now, for this, you are going to need a pretty generous amount of glue, and then you're going to want to make sure and hold those edges together until that glue does dry. Now, that oversized popsicle stick, we're going to kind of use that as a brace, and we're going to take that and we're going to just trim that down kind of like a diagonal shape there, because we are using it again as a brace on just one side of our L shape here. And this is just going to help hold everything together. This is totally optional, but I felt like it was a good addition. Now you've got 2 pieces that look like this. Now you're going to take your motorcycle and you're going to really mark it however you want it. I wanted mine to kind of have this pop-up wheelie effect. So I just kind of held it in place and I took a regular pen and just marked 2 spots where my wheel spots were going to hit. And now I'm going to take my Sure Bonder all-purpose glue. This is a glue that I absolutely love working with, and I am just going to add a generous amount of glue into both sections. Now, for the motorcycle, the wheels are functional wheels, so they are going to roll around a little bit. So it's important that you just kind of hold this into place, and you've got 2 motorcycles that look like this. Now, I did remove all of the stickers and I took them outside and I spray painted them. Now, for my decor scheme, I am using these in my home, so I am going with my favorite Rust-Oleum matte black spray paint. Now, again, for these, I did have to do about 2.5 to 3 coats. And that was really because of just the neon green that really kind of sticks out with that motorcycle. There's so many little pieces and in and outs and nooks and crannies. So just be patient with it. Make sure you've got everything covered. And when you are done, you've got the coolest bookends. I love these so much and think that they are perfect for high-end or modern decor. And I do think that they would look fantastic in a kid's room also. Now, we are again playing with toys, and of course, we all remember playing with these. However, have you thought about using one of these toss games? Now, I loved this. It was a 3-piece set, and then I also had these candlesticks from the home decor section. So I went ahead and just added a very generous amount of glue right to the top of these. And then that center part there, you're going to need to add a nice little pile of glue in there as well, because you do want these to sit nice and flat. Now, on the back of those blue kind of flat discs, there is an elastic strap that will just pop right off of there. And then you're going to take your candlesticks, you're going to glue those down directly, and you're going to repeat this twice. Now, you can remove the sticker on the back if you want to. I know that some people get offended when I don't remove the sticker, so I'm removing the sticker for those of you that like that or don't like that. And then for the spray paint, I am going to go out and just give this 2 coats. I'm using this Rust-Oleum aged bronze spray paint. How gorgeous are these? I love these, and I just added 2 Dollar Tree pillar candles and some greenery. They look super high end, and they look like they are metal. I love them so much. Toys. Now, these little construction toys kept sticking out in my brain, and I had an idea, so I grabbed 2 of these bulldozers that kind of look the same. And I grabbed some scrap wood from Crafter Square. I just measured out really simply where I wanted to cut these, and then I took out my miter box and just cut those directly in that area, giving me 2 pieces that looked like this. Now, for those wood pieces, I did want to just go ahead and use my Waverly antiquing wax and just kind of, get these nice and stained. And then I wanted to keep the bulldozers exactly the way they were. So I just added some glue onto the bottom of them, kind of wherever the touch points were, wherever these would be touching that wood piece. And again, I'm using the Shore Bonder all-purpose glue for this, and I do love this glue a lot. And then I'm just going to glue these down directly on, making sure that that part of the bulldozer is kind of hanging off the edge, because that is going to be the part that is going to hold up the books. Another bookend set that I really, really love. I think these could be so whimsical in a little boy or little girl's room. I love this concept and this idea, and I think you could apply it to a lot of different toys. Now in the toy section, you can also grab fun things like these brain teaser puzzles, and you can create home decor pieces with these. Now, I will advise you to take these out of the packaging very, very carefully, because they will fall apart on you. Now with this one, I'm just kind of cutting away all of that plastic, and then I'm going to kind of grab it, making sure I hold it and put it very safely down on my table. And then I'm going to take some glue with my Shore Bonder glue gun here, and I'm going to give this some glue Botox, and I'm literally just going to squeeze glue inside. I spray painted it bronze. I love the way it looks, but check out that wood grain one as well. That was already done. I didn't even have to do anything with it. Such cool little accent pieces. Now, you can also find toys in the toy department or in the pet department. You can get pet toys. And by the way, yes, Otis was looking at me like, what the heck am I doing? Because, anything that has a bell in it, he assumes is going to be his toy. And, to be honest, I did buy a couple of these for him. Now, I took 2 of them, and I'm just simply removing the bell. I'm not going to paint them. I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to add them to a decorative bowl, and boom, you've got instant cool DIYs, and you didn't do anything with it, really. And I love that. Now, inspiration can really come from anywhere in the toy department, and this case was one perfect example. I love this case. I thought that it would be great for travel accessories, so I went ahead and just removed that label, and then I used it exactly how it was. I took all of my small little travel pieces and just stuck them in the individual compartments. You could use this for headphone cords, you could use this for chargers, you could use this for a lot of different things, and the great thing about it is once it's full, it fits so perfectly in your suitcase. Now, the great thing about Dollar Tree is their Dollar Tree Plus section. I found this 3-foot by 3-foot checker set for $5. What a great compliment to an outdoor barbecue, a birthday party, something with friends, or even just something to give the kids to do. I really love this. All right, you guys, that's my video. Pardon my scratchy sore throat here. In the video, you saw where I packed to go on a trip, and I went to New Orleans, and I basically screamed my throat out, I think, while I was there. But I had a good time, and that's what's important. Let me know in the comments below which projects were your favorite. And of course, if you're one of my subscribers, thank you so much for being here. I truly, truly appreciate you. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope this video has inspired you to hang out and be a subscriber and make some fun stuff. All right, guys, take care. Bye-bye.